If you still buy peanut butter, you are wasting your money. With just granules, you can make your own fresh, creamy peanut butter at home. No oil and definitely no preservatives. And the best part, it tastes better than store-bought. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Let's get right into the video. First, clean your granules properly. Remove the bad granules and the stones. Roast your granules on medium heat. Make sure not to burn them so that your peanut butter does not turn out bitter. Once they are golden brown, remove them from heat and let it cool slightly. Then pour your granules into your blender or your food processor. Do not add any form of water or oil. The granules will bring out its own oil in due time. So during the blending process, you have to be very patient. So when you blend for a few seconds, you stop, scrape the sides and then continue. At some point, it might look dry, but don't panic. This is the point where people stop, but don't stop. Just trust the process. Just keep blending. I assure you guys that the best peanut butter you ever taste is the one made at home. So make sure to save this video for later. If you like crunchy peanut butter, you can scoop it out now. But if you prefer it a lot creamier, you can keep blending. You can go ahead to add a pinch of salt if you like, just to balance out the taste. If you prefer it sweet, go ahead to add honey or sugar. All that is optional. But for a healthier recipe, you can skip the sugar. Continue blending till it looks like this. Watch closely, you see the natural oil of the peanut butter. And just like that, your homemade peanut butter is ready. Transfer it into a clean airtight container. It can actually last for weeks and for longer in the fridge. Recipes you can make with this are endless. You can spread it on your bread. You can use it to make cookies. Add it to your porridges, your overnight oats. It's also very healthy and safe for your babies. If you enjoyed this video or found this video helpful, please do well to like and share this video to somebody that might need it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go on to hit the subscribe button. Subscription is totally free. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Because of course, more amazing homemade recipes are coming your way. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one.